Hello, and today we're going to continue our series on what will eventually be about building an advanced web form. Currently it's a very simple web form because last screencast on this specifically, what we did is we constructed a script that grabbed all the information from the fields and just threw it into an email. No formatting, no nothing. And that's what we're going to worry about today. We're going to make this a little bit more advanced. And today we're still not going to necessarily worry about the formatting of the email. We'll do that in a later video. But today we're going to kind of look at how to do some validation of what we want to do, and just verify that it's sent. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you this surrounding, but if we look at this page, it's very similar to what we had before. It's got two fields, so I'm just gonna fill something in either of those fields, and then hit the big submit button, and we just get a white page with no title. We can see it's gone to script.php. Now if you wait a minute, you'll see an alert up there to say I've got a new email. It's just come up there, and I'm not actually going to show you that, but you just know that it's worked. But this is sent, but it doesn't really give the user much feedback on what happened. It gives the user no feedback actually, because it literally doesn't even have a title, because it's just a PHP script, and PHP scripts don't have anything that even says executing the script. If it's successful, it's just a blank page. So today we're gonna format what happens, what the script displays when the person does it, and this is actually really simple. Okay, so if we fire up Coda, we've got a few options. There's a simple script that we built last time. It creates a to field which tells the email address we're interested. It creates the subject of the email. It grabs all the fields, and then it invokes the PHP mail function, and then passes in the to variable, the subject variable, any variables with the message, and the headers variables, which we didn't include last time, and we don't need that just yet. So really it's a very simple script, just creates variables of the information we need, and then passes them into this PHP mail function in the form of parameters. So if we think about it like this, the PHP mail function is going to be the last thing to execute on this page. So whatever we're going to display, we need to display after that's successfully executed. So we've got one way of doing that. We could just do it with PHP, so we could have no PHP HTML formatting. We could do it with the PHP echo statement, which is standard to PHP, and we could just put single quotation marks and put thanks, for example, and then when the user resubmits the form, the server will execute that script and then run the echo statement. But we notice there's still no HTML formatting, there's still no title, and if we view the source, all that's being generated is these letters, that thanks. That's what the PHP echo statement does. It it doesn't generate any HTML whatsoever. So this still isn't a good page, but it's better than nothing. Now let's look at what else we can do. Well, if we still wanted to use this echo statement, we could do that. We could wrap whatever is inside the echo statement in HTML tags, just like you would in HTML. So let's put that in a strong tag, for example. And we can do closing strong tag. Oops, forgot to close it there. And as you'll be able to guess when we run that script, it'll format it in the HTML so that it's bold. But as you notice, I've just got another email, but there's still no HTML formatting around it. It's not an HTML page. All it is an HTML element wrapped in the strong tags. But to make an HTML page is actually very, very simple. All we need to do is treat it like an ordinary page. So any code that we want to execute after this mail function has successfully run, we put after the closing PHP statement. Now it's probably a good idea to start your doc type immediately after the PHP is closed, to stay nice and valid, so that when that runs, the doc type will still be the first thing that actually renders on your page. But I'm just going to copy and paste in a example page. This is the page that we're working on before, and as we know, it's got formatting in it. But we could just get rid of that. Use the same page just to stay consistent. With the original, we could change the title to submitted, and we could say simple web form sent. We could change the title to that. Now if we resend, that's exactly what we get. We get a full HTML page that we can do anything we want to it. So writing the HTML after the script is executed is the proper way to handle HTML form submissions. Anyway, I've rambled on enough. Hopefully you got something out of that video, and thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for the next tutorial. If you'd like to donate to me, please go to tom-rogers.com/about/donate. Links are always in the description. Thanks very much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.